sir?
I'd like a checking account.
How much money?
All of yours.
What?
Oh, your money. All of it.
Hold on. I need some ammo. I ran out of ammo. Luckily I have some bulletproof glass.
Guess what?
Yeah?
My gun was never loaded. Test this out.
Ah!
Get over here. Now. Let's go.
Honey, Pop, what do you want me to do?
Get back here. Yeah.
Give me all your money.
What the?
Now!
Hold up, hold up.
What are you doing here? Ooh, conveniently located tape.
Put him up!